Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can share your location with your iPhone. The only thing that you want to make sure is that you save the contact of the person that you wish to share your location with. Once that's done, it's a very simple and straightforward process. So once you're saved the contact, go to the contacts, click on the I button to go into the info section. Once you're here, you can scroll down and see an option which says share my location. Once you tap on that, you will get three options, out of which the last one, which is the share for 1 hour, is the most recommended one because the other ones are not very secure and your location will be sent to them for a very long period of time, which you don't want, obviously. But yeah, once you tap on the choice of location you want to send, let's say I tap on share for 1 hour. Once you do that, you can see now the option has changed. It has become to stop sharing my location. And if you go to the messages, you can see that it says you started sharing location with this person. And if you want to stop the location sharing process before the 1 hour mark, just tap on this button. And yeah, the location sharing is now stopped and you can basically do anything you want now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.